Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group and whitehatjunior.com.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The very controversial AIIMS forensic chief, Dr. Sudhir Gupta's mysterious role has been under serious scanner ever since the Republic Media Network broadcast the August 22nd tape. Enough with the silence. Tonight, Sushant's family lawyer, Vikas Singh, has put out a series of revelations about Sudhir Gupta, after which one can only say that whatever report he puts out has zero credibility. Now, Vikas Singh, who's a senior Supreme Court lawyer, said that Sudhir Gupta himself contacted him on his own, saying that Sushant's death was a 200% case of strangulation. Now, this is a statement made by a very senior Supreme Court lawyer, so it's not a casual comment. I'm sure that Vikas Singh has the evidence to back it up. If this is the case, then you also seen the audio tape. I have the messages of Sudhir Gupta. This cannot be just a flip-flop, viewers. This now hints at serious collusion and dangerous conspiracy. Here are the new disclosures about Dr. Sudhir Gupta. And then we debate.
एक तो जल्दी क्यों हुई ऑटोप्सी? जल्दी होने के बाद वीडियोग्राफी हुई है या नहीं हुई?
क्राइम सीन को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं किया।
क्राइम सीन को तो डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस ही हो गया।
On Monday, when Republic Media Network broadcast the August 22nd Sudhir Gupta tape, the ones lapping up his selective leak that backed the suicide theory were caught on the back foot. They were in for another hammering when the CBI released a statement to assert that homicide isn't ruled out. Today, when the central agency team is back in the financial capital to begin the second round of its investigation, there are serious questions on the role of AIIMS forensic head Dr. Sudhir Gupta and these disclosures by Sushant's family lawyer Vikas Singh putting his role under cloud.
When I sent him these photographs which were taken by the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, he immediately commented that it is death, it is by strangulation and it cannot be said to be death by hanging. Infirmities in the post-mortem done by the Cooper Hospital was supposed to be commented upon by the AIIMS and not to declare that it is a case of suicide. Who all they have been meeting in this while when they have been preparing this report, how they have been coming on the TV channels. Even the Medical Council of India should look into the conduct of this entire team. एम्स में जिससे भी आप बात कीजिए सब बताते हैं कि सुधीर गुप्ता अपने ही लोगों को डालता है अपने पैनल में, जो उसको ओपिनियन देना होता है वो उसी हिसाब से वो रिपोर्ट को वो पैनल बनाता है.
With the August 22nd tape expose and a series of revelations by Vikas Singh, with questions now being raised on why a videography of Sushant's autopsy wasn't done. And with the CBI ready to call in the June 13th witness. Will all those celebrating fudge reports, motivated leaks and Riya Chakrabarti's conditional bail introspect? Let's debate.
If there is no credibility, then there can be no credible report. If there is no evidence, there can be no examination. If there is no examination, there can be no report. But more than that, it is not us alone today, Ishkaran. everyone across the country is saying this, that probe Sudhir Gupta. There seems to be a huge cloud over this individual. And what I put out has been corroborated today. I said, Ishkaran, that even before taking over the case, this man on his own was contacting me saying that, listen, I have examined the facts and there are so many facts. He's saying it's suo motu to me that this is a case, cannot be a case of homicide. And today, Vikas Singh puts out a very important point. He says, Sudhir Gupta told him this was a complete case of murder.
200%.
Surendra Chauhan, can I complete my point?
Clearly shows.
Can I complete my point?
One minute.
See, if there is a cloud over Dr. Sudhir Gupta, why are you getting stressed?
CBI. No, why have you not informed CBI at the first instance that this doctor has told you this thing and why he is the head of the forensic committee now?
Why have I not? No, 1 minute. You are asking me. You are asking me, right?
Yes.
So can I reply?
Yes.
You are asking
Yes.
me, okay, good question.
Yes.
Good question. You are asking me that, Arnab, if you had these tapes of Sudhir Gupta, these messages of Sudhir Gupta, which prove that the man heading the investigation has come to an absolute conclusion that it's a case of murder, right? Or at least has said that this evidence is destroyed, you can't have a case. You can't have a further investigation into the matter because the forensics of the case are not available. Now you are asking me, why did I not put out the tape earlier? Because obviously, I had this information with me and I was absolutely clear that either Sudhir Gupta will say it is murder, or he will say, I do not have enough evidence to come to a conclusion. But I was shocked, like everybody else across the country, when he puts out a report saying he's got all the evidence suddenly which he didn't have 4 weeks back. Are you out of your mind to ask me that question?
Arnab, this is a serious
Ishkaran,
debate. Can you lower his reader?
No, I'm not.
It's
I'm
a serious
not asking
debate.
you.
Can you please lower his reader? It's a very serious debate. Arnab, if
It's a
what the
serious
doctor
debate,
was telling you,
Ishkaran, it is a
please
serious debate.
let me speak.
You can't take
Please let me
everyone
speak.
for a ride.
Okay, now can we speak? You have had your say. Nobody interrupted you. Good, you made your point.
Yes.
Arnab,
Go ahead.
even yesterday, even yesterday, I raised 3 points. Does the health ministry allow its doctors in ongoing investigation to leak selectively? That's point number 1. Does that not invite departmental action? Does AIM, which is a semi-autonomous body, allow its doctors who are doing forensic to leak the report? Does that not invite suspension? Does CBI allow doctors whom it has entrusted an autopsy to leak it to media and to decide the outcome of the case by their leaks? And some channels are proudly tweeting, Dr. Gupta has reconfirmed, reconfirmed. Does CBI allow that? Does any investigative agency allow it? Those 3 simple legal points.
Not to put a pressure on the
Again, stop jumping like popcorn, man. Stop jumping like popcorn. Let us have serious legal point here. And Arnab, one more point. One more point, Arnab.
Yes,
Arnab, one more point here.
Serious legal issues.
So the last point here is, Arnab.
And the leaks.
Arnab, the last point is that Caesar's wife must be above suspicion. Anybody
That's so true.
handling officially a very important case, or any case, by important case, must be above suspicion. Ask the citizens of this country, is this behavior of 180 degree somersault
I put a question.
above suspicion?
Yes,
If it is
Ishkaran,
not above suspicion,
I
it should be a
take your
rebalance.
question. I take your question, and in all humility, I put this question to the viewers of the program tonight. 1 minute. The question Ishkaran puts out, 1 minute please, we have time. Sanju Gupta is on the debate, Akashdeep, Shehzad, let's have 2 versus 2 so more people can be on air together. Question is, viewers, this is it's caused a nationwide uproar. I present a few facts before you. It's caused a nationwide uproar, 1. B, there's a lot of evidence which has not been looked at. The Disha Salian case has not been looked at. Custodial detention has not happened. People like Pithani have not been put in jail, have not been cross-questioned. People have not been made to sit down. There's no approval in the case. So there's a significant amount of investigation to be done. And by the way, the CBI team is here. I believe that all of this is an attempt to put pressure on the CBI team to give a motivated report out here by preempting the report. And I think it's stupid of channels When the CBI team is in Mumbai today, Sanju, the CBI team is in Mumbai today. They've come here for the second round of investigations. I think it's stupid of any channel to put out a report that the CBI has given its conclusions of suicide. That's the most idiotic thing you can do. If it had already concluded, why would it have come to Mumbai at all in the first place? So I find a great deal of suspicion in the manner in which people are trying to preempt the case. But the question, Sanju, and I want you to debate this, is about the credibility of this controversial doctor called Sudhir Gupta. Vikas Singh says, when I said to them, that the photographs were taken by the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput. In other words, Vikas Singh reveals today that he shared certain photographs with Sudhir Gupta, and he told him that, listen, Meetu, Sushant's sister, was in the room, took the pictures. Sudhir Gupta immediately commented, allow me to complete, that Vikas Singh, this is a case of death by strangulation. Sudhir Gupta said, seeing the pictures, that Vikas Singh, Sushant Singh Rajput has been strangulated. And Vikas Singh would not be lying.
Okay.
So there are serious credibility issues which have emerged now.
You mean to say
Sanju.
opinions can't be changed? Opinions can't be changed. Seeing
Are you
something-
Sanju?
Evidence can't
Please
be
hold your
created.
horses. Arnab, will you ask him to please keep quiet?
Continue on the debate, Sanju, unimpeded. On the other side, we'll have others on the debate.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Yeah. Let Kishore Tiwari be on the other side. Everyone, please
Okay.
hear each other. It's
You
a
know,
serious and sensitive issue, gentlemen.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, let me quickly come to the moot points. I think, Arnab,
This
you
is
know
the
what
baseless
I am most
allegation of Vikas
flummoxed
Singh.
by is the fact that
Vikas Singh
after the
talking
Ames report,
rubbish.
after the Ames report, can you please keep quiet? Stop it. Just listen to me, you will get your turn. There's no need to
No.
hyperventilate. When your
Ames
turn
report
comes,
is
you
final.
speak. But allow
This
me
is
to
a
have
case
my
of
say now.
hanging.
Ames
Vikas
report is
Singh
not
is
final.
talking rubbish.
Arnab, I will
The
not
matter
indulge
is
in a
over.
swinging match with this
This is a
gentleman.
suicide.
Can you just hold your horses
Kishore
and
Tiwari,
keep quiet?
Kishore Tiwari, what happens is, Kishore Tiwari, what happens is we waste time in this. I will come to you. Why don't you? आप उनकी सुन लीजिए ना. You listen to her and then respond. We waste time.
Excited? Why is he hyperventilating?
I will come to you. You listen to her and then respond.
Let's not get personal. So please, I will not ask you to shut up. I will simply ask you to stay quiet. I will not ask you to shut up. Now let me make a point. The final authority is neither the CFSL, it is neither Ames. The final authority is the CBI, which is investigating the case. Point number one. Point number two, the CBI has categorically said that it does not rule out homicidal hanging. Point number three, the Ames report and the forensic department headed by Sudhir Gupta, he's the same man who said that the Cooper Hospital autopsy report is filled with loopholes. Point number four, Sudhir Gupta is the man who said that the Cooper Hospital report did not mention the time of the post-mortem, which again is a big loophole. Point number five, a normal inquest in a case of unnatural death happens within 48 to 72 hours. In this case, the inquest took 55 days, which is abnormal. Point number six, for the first 65 days, the case was with the Mumbai police, which did an absolute shoddy job. Point number seven, what was Ria doing? Having these late night conversations with DCP Zone 9.
Two versus two, please, gentlemen. Let's open the debate.
You're
going on and on about
Akashdeep and Sanjay.
It was not a suicide.
We know all this,
Let the
Sanju.
law take its course.
Sanju, we
Let
know all
CBI
this.
findings come out in
The
public
point
domain.
is-
Let's not hyperventilate.
Sanju.
So Kishore Tiwari,
Akash.
stop getting excited.
Yeah, one second. Kishore Tiwari.
Sanju, nobody is hyperventilating, Sanju,
The-
but please understand,
Arun,
we
you
are
lost your
not denying
control.
what you're saying,
Oh, why you are tracing
but you're giving us a
when
story we
final
have
report
heard
has
every
come?
day. Now tell us,
You are-
what is
you
the
are
state
losing your
today?
credibility.
We all know CBI has not passed a verdict.
done
What are you
it.
telling us that we don't know? You're wasting time.
One second.
You're not even explaining that the fact that the Ames report has
Listen.
hurt us.
You were the
has
same
hit
bunch
us.
of
We
people
agree.
who thought
But what I just
There is no-
Because she
first
was
of all-
above the law, she was infallible, she was impeccable. Today she's holding her heels in the Baitla prison. That case also took time. The CBI did a fabulous job in the INX media case.
I want to
The
ask
CBI
you,
did a fabulous
when you say,
question to you.
one minute, Akash and Nilotpal, please. Akash and Nilotpal, I'm getting everybody in on the debate. When you say, Akash, that this AIMS report has hurt you, you said the AIMS report has hurt me, right?
Yes.
But bhai, where is the AIMS
Yes,
report?
yes,
Where is
yes,
There
yes.
is no AIMS report. AIMS has given an official statement that we have not leaked any report. We don't know where it got leaked from, whose leak it is. It has no credibility. Ask the CBI. CBI says there is no report, there is no conclusion. We are investigating everything, including murder. In fact, the CBI team is coming to Bombay. So, Nilotpal, what are these people getting excited about?
Sir, I need 2 minutes. Let me speak.
What are you getting? It's a mad situation.
CBI is doing its job. Where have
Okay,
you even
okay,
said CBI
okay,
has not
okay,
closed the
okay,
case?
listen to-
No,
okay, listen
CBI
to
has
me.
not closed the case.
So why are you
Why
closing the
are we
case?
suddenly raising questions
Okay.
on the selective
Sir,
leak on AIMS?
Okay.
No,
but
why? Okay, so why? One minute. For two reasons.
And nobody is worried.
Akash, for
When
two
AIMS
reasons.
leak is
Akash,
not
for two
suiting us,
reasons.
We are commenting on it.
Are Baba, Akash, for two reasons. Nilotpal will respond to you. Why are people raising questions on the AIMS report? One, because there is no AIMS report. B, AIMS gives its report to CBI. C, CBI is still investigating.
Right.
CBI has said we are looking at murder. One group of people has gone overexcited.
Yes.
Right? Wants to close the case. It's the same Riya Chakrabarti group. Why didn't you guys just relax? Riya Chakrabarti got bail. These people went completely, they started jumping, as he says, like popcorn. Like Ishkaran says, they started jumping like popcorn. Are, she's only got bail. The investigation is going on. Bail is just a procedural
And
matter.
her brother has not got it, Arnab. That is also very important.
Her brother has not got it. That's also true.
Not getting a bail, they will not quote that part where the court says, obviously, where the court
So
says.
the case is very much on. For SSR fans, I want to tell you, the investigation is only hotting up now. They are worried. They are worried that it will go further. They are worried, Nilotpal, it will go further. They are worried that it will go into the area of Kuan. They are worried that it will go into the area of foreign exchange dealings with China. They are worried that it will go to the underbelly of Bollywood. They are worried that other Bollywood stars will be called by the NCB. That's why they want to take this case to the mortuary, but it won't. Nilotpal's turn now. Nilotpal's turn now. Limited time. Nilotpal is on the debate with Shehzad.
Sir, very, very important thing. A doctor having 30 years of experience sent me a very important message. There are two types of autopsy. One is pathological, one is medico-legal autopsy. And in death due to asphyxia, the head skull is opened first. And after nothing, the external examination over a scalp and incision is made. Now, is any AIMS doctor or Cooper doctor saw the physical body? Is anyone has attended the funeral, has been called and asked whether they saw any stitches in the head or not? By seeing the Cooper post-mortem or any report, how they can be so sure that it was a suicide?
No, he's not sure. He is not sure. I am telling you what Vikas Singh has said. No, he was not. He was flabbergasted. I'll tell you one thing. And I want to come to Dr. Ashwin Kumar now. Dr. Ashwin Kumar, this man, Sudhir Gupta, you are a very experienced doctor.
By the AIMS forensic expert.
Yes, I didn't get the first part. Yes, go ahead, doctor. What are you saying, Dr. Ashwin Kumar? Yes, Dr. Kumar, what were you saying? I missed out.
I want to speak and intervene in the... Yes, hello.
Go on, sir. Go on.
I want to intervene in this fake report, forensic report being given by the AIMS expert. Can I speak something?
Go ahead, sir. Please go ahead, Dr. Kumar.
Yes. First and foremost, I will like to congratulate you, Mr. Anam, that you have given me opportunity to speak something on your channel. So first and foremost, I will talk about, because I am a dermatologist and I am a retired senior consultant dermatologist who has worked in India and also worked in the overseas. And I have so much degree and experience that I cannot speak here. It will take at least 10-15 minutes time to speak about my degrees and qualification and experience, everything. But a noble and intellectual person must give him the briefest possible introduction. I am a retired senior consultant dermatologist, and I am following this SSR case since long time. And what I have seen, I have seen two things. First and foremost, the cloth which was hanging from the ceiling fan, and the picture captured was given by Meetu, the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, to CBI, as also I have seen the ligature mark being revealed or shown by various television. My condition are only two. If both the two things are true, if the picture is the same, what we have seen through the various television, and thereafter, in case the ligature mark which we have seen through various TV are the same, then my position is that it is not possible. It is not possible that such a cloth, even if it is coiled, can produce a ligature mark like this, because ligature mark is on the skin, and a skin that is like a footprint. And footprint has a very sensitivity. It is most sensitive and at least most specific feature for any article. So what I want to say, footprint, like you see, a tiger is crawling. A hunter is looking after a tiger. This footprint has so specificity that a good hunter will recognize that this is the footprint of the tiger, and he will follow, and he will go on following, and he will reach to the target. Another case, if the hunter wants to find out a deer, the footprint has got so specificity that he will recognize that this is the footprint of the deer, and then he will follow.
No, I get your point.
He will follow. No,
please look at, I'll ask you, so what, Dr. Kumar can ask you. Dr. Kumar, from what Dr. Kumar is saying, it is quite clear, one minute. See, we are in a situation now, Yuvraj, where it is difficult to accept the extremely controversial report of the even more controversial Sudhir Gupta. Now, can the people of this country be told, we don't care? You're going to get this. Controversial person, controversial report, multiple recordings, phone conversations, WhatsApp messages. But a man who leaks a report without any evidence, then I don't understand. Yuvraj and Shehzad are on the debate, but Shehzad, the people of the country will not accept this report. The people of the country will just not accept this report anymore. This report is one without credibility or evidence.
Please give me.
I mean, the same team.
Let me tell you one thing, Arnav. That the Mumbai police, all those people questioning the Mumbai police have got the answer, and all those people having doubts on Riya Chakrabarti, all their doubts have been cleared by the judiciary giving her bail.
Shehzad,
yes.
one minute. Shehzad, you're a reasonable man. You understand.
Yes.
For God's sake, the investigation is continuing. Bail is a normal thing. It's a procedural thing. She can be called back anytime. What are you celebrating about?
Yeah, but court goes on evidences, na? He doesn't go on here and say. It goes on evidences. If the
bail rejected twice, given third time is not a big deal at all.
Okay, whatever.
I'd be surprised if she was not given bail. The question is not that. The question is on Sudhir Gupta today. The question is on Sudhir Gupta.
All the questions
after Vikas Singh's revelations about Sudhir Gupta saying that this is a 200% case of strangulation, a senior Supreme Court lawyer will not make a comment like that. He has said that Sudhir Gupta told him it was a 200% case of strangulation, which means he was murdered.
I would like to say one thing. If I was just seeing on your debate, if something doesn't come in your favor, you all go anti him. If Sudhir Gupta would have given in favor, then all the gagas.
That's your assumption. That's your assumption.
If he told the truth, if he's come out with the facts.
How did he declare it to be a 200% case of strangulation?
So
you talk about How did he say? How did he say it's a 200% case of strangulation?
Yes, by those photographs.
Why did he say that?
Like the panelists.
So why did he say that?
Doctors.
Why did he say that? Which means the primary examination of the facts led him to conclude it was strangulation. Then the evidence disappears and he concludes it's a suicide. What are you talking about? There's no counter evidence. Yuvraj is on the debate. Yuvraj is on the debate. Yuvraj.
He had checked. He has checked.
Checked with what? There is no more evidence. The evidence is destroyed by his own admission. He said the evidence is gone.
There is evidence.
Ishkaran, I don't understand where this debate is going. He has said the evidence is gone.
Arnab, is it a simple question? Let me ask a very simple question. Arnab, let me ask a very simple question. Anybody, Arnab, anybody, one second, very simple question. Anybody doing an important probe has to be above suspicion. A person who does 180-degree flip and leaks the report, which is not in accordance with either the medical council rules or CBI rules, is definitely a person whose behavior, whose actions cast suspicion. Would you want a case, any important case, to be decided by a person who is under suspicion? That's a very simple question. If you want to do that, then you have made up your mind.
Just because
the fact is also not just because it has now come out, and viewers, I want to share with you another bit of breaking news. Sanju, this is very important. Please listen to me. We have just been told it is confirmed that there was no videography at all of the autopsy.
Wow.
I have just been told there was no videography of the autopsy. We cannot accept any report like this anymore. Sanju, we have got it from our sources. You can go and check it. No videography of an autopsy as important as this. There can be. And then you're saying the videography, that we have to take the autopsy at face value. It's ridiculous. Yuvraj, what do you think? Your first reaction, Yuvraj? Yuvraj, what do you think? What do you think, Yuvraj?
This is totally a mockery of what's happening, and it's totally unacceptable that these people are changing their stance after every 2 weeks. You cannot have a proper investigation going on and you have these people one day saying it's a suicide, the other day they are saying it's a murder, other day they are saying it's a abetment to suicide, then the audio tapes leak. I mean, is this a joke going on, Arnab? What is going on? I mean, these people are just making, and this is.
I mean, what is the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government doing, and why was this leak done? Sanju, there should be a separate investigation into that. There needs to be a separate investigation into this matter. Now, 1 minute. Sanju is coming in on the debate. Lots of reactions coming into the breaking news that videography was also not done. I'm sorry, no. People will not accept it anymore. Sanju,
Mumbai police has nothing to do with it anymore.
This is the time for the CBI to go all in. Sanju.
Arnab, please keep quiet. Who's this gentleman? Please ask him to keep quiet.
Akashdeep.
Now, I want to tell you some very important thing.
CBI is responsible.
Jayant Patil.
I'm not speaking.
Jayant Patil, please. Jayant Patil, the state president of NCP and
Your
the water
sources are
resources
rubbish.
minister of Maharashtra. He was
After
today
120
ecstatic
days,
and he has given a statement saying that Ria's bail is a vindication of Mumbai police. I just want to ask, why are politicians like Jayant Patil going gaga and going gung-ho to support an accused in an abetment to suicide case? She has simply been given bail, saying that she is not part of any drug racket. But the fact that there is an abetment to suicide case under which she is an accused that charge.
Akashdeep, Akashdeep, Sanju.
The fact that there was no videography, there was no light in the mortuary room,
Sanju,
the fact that
incomplete
AIMS did not
statement
conduct
from
a
you,
second
Sanju.
autopsy because they did not have the
Sanju.
body. All these things point to the fact
Surendra Chauhan
that
also on the
this
debate.
case
Surendra
will be
Chauhan.
solved
Stick to
once we
one
have
point.
a witness, just like Shyamvar Rai turned out to be the witness in the Indrani
viewers.
Vora case. And I'm sure that witness could be Samuel Miranda.
Viewers, with
it could
all
be
with all
Neeraj, it could be
the
Sushant.
new facts coming in, more and more people are saying CBI should go in for opening up the Disha Salian case, summoning of Rohan Rai. 13th June party claim is going to be investigated. Data deletion on the 8th of June is going to be investigated, and the Sudhir Gupta fan club, which is co-terminus with the Sanjay Raut fan club and the Parambir Singh fan club, should actually start thinking about why today's revelations, the statement of Vikas Singh that
And
Sudhir
lawyers like
Gupta
Satish
said,
Manshinde who feel
that Sudhir Gupta said it was 100% strangulation.
पैथोलॉजी क्या है?
Yes,
वो कुछ भी
yes.
नहीं जान सकता है.
Yes,
वो
Dr.
तो
Kumar.
अंडर डॉग है जो उसको बैठ करके एक सीनियर आदमी बोलेगा वो उसको करता चला जाएगा. यस सर, यस सर, यस सर.
is
इस
absolutely
पैनल में
unacceptable.
कोई सीनियर कंसल्टेंट डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट क्यों नहीं रखा गया?
Only got bail.
That's true.
कोई सीनियर कंसल्टेंट डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट क्यों नहीं रखा गया?
Sanju got her bail for that.
इस
Priya
पैनल
got
के
her bail.
बारे में
जूनियर
तो
मेडिकल ऑफिसर को रखने का मतलब क्या है?
कूपर के पैनल पे सबसे ज्यादा सवाल तो सुधीर गुप्ता ही कर रहे थे. उनके मैसेज मेरे पास हैं. सुधीर गुप्ता ने कहा ये कैसी रिपोर्ट है, ये कैसा पैनल है कूपर हॉस्पिटल का, ये सब तो उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया है.
जो फॉरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट है.
Viewers, I'll show you pictures of Sudhir Gupta. There's a cloud over this man, and I just want to ask, I want to ask the CBI, I want to ask the government of India, I want to ask you the viewers, this is the man Sudhir Gupta, very, very controversial man now. Yeah, it appears he's giving different versions to different people, and after the revelations of Vikas Singh, I think, and the fact that no videography was done, I think there's a huge cloud over this, and the supporters of SSR should not accept a fudged report, should not accept a fudged report.